when I step onto that court, anything that is going on kind of just gets to go away for that moment. So not being able to have sports is like a big toll on me, and I know it's on many people, and I know especially in Ferndale, like sports do help keep a lot of kids like out of trouble. And that is such a big thing for us because it keeps us busy and just helps provide something for us to do and look forward to. And like with FFA, not only sports, I got to experience something new, like being able to show an animal and make money off that and learn how to make my own money. And the mentors get to teach you how to care for them, how to like what to look for when they're sick and stuff like that. And then getting to take that animal to the fair, you meet so many new people from so many new school districts and different places, and it's almost like a sport where the fact that you get to go and compete against these other people, but also build like a stronger connection because it's just a community. Everybody helps each other. Everybody's helping keep them in their pens and stuff like that. So the fact that you get to come together as a whole, like Whatcom County through FFA is just cool to see.